It is the first of the month, April 1st. So for a lot of people, rent and mortgages are due. But also for those same people, sometimes that's not possible because they've lost their job or have been furloughed. So tonight, News 4 investigative reporter Chris Nagus is joining us live from St. Louis County to explain what help is being offered to those people. Chris.
Sam, we know everybody faces a different set of circumstances. Some people rent, some pay a mortgage. Now, if you are facing eviction or foreclosure, there's definitely some relief on the way. But if you owe rent that's due today, not necessarily. Were you hoping that your landlord would be a little bit more lenient?
I was hoping.
Like so many, this St. Louis County man was furloughed from his job, but his $1,400 rent is still due. You called your landlord, and what did they say?
That they aren't getting any leniency towards their mortgages or their bills that they have to pay.
Were you able to make the rent payment today?
Yes, I will be able to make the rent payment this month, but going forward is very questionable.
In the city of St. Louis, the mayor is encouraging renters to work with landlords, but a spokesperson said, "Our office has very little oversight on what landlords can and can't do with respect to rent and evictions." But the mayor is supportive of a court order that halts evictions in the city. A similar order is in place in the county. As for mortgage holders, HUD has placed a 60-day moratorium on foreclosures for homeowners with FHA-backed loans. The renter we spoke with worries the situation will be worse for others.
Luckily, I do have family, that I can lean on and have that, but I'm really worried about people who don't have family that they can lean on or don't have, didn't have enough to put away into savings to worry about this kind of situation.
A spokesperson for County Executive Sam Page told me they hope landlords will be compassionate during these tough times. Now, I also reached out to a couple of private lenders, BB&T. They told me that some of their mortgage holders, some of their borrowers could get up to 90 days forbearance. U.S. Bank told me some of their borrowers might qualify for a 6-month mortgage suspension. That could be extended up to 12 months depending on the circumstances, and it would not hurt that borrower's credit. So if you are facing a tough time with a mortgage, it is important to check with your lender. Reporting live in St. Louis County, Chris Nagus, News 4.